I'm going to be repotting my bird of paradise. I got her not too long ago, but she's in this compacted soil that I'm not a fan of. And I've been wanting to put her in my own soil mix, which is very airy, because I have a lot of orchid bark, perlite mixed in with the potting soil. And also look at these roots. They're nice and white. However, you can see there are some root rot, just a little bit. Some of the roots were dying, but I'm going to cut those off as well. So as I was removing the soil, I was tempted to go ahead and pot these in two separate ones. However, I did specifically buy this pot for them, so I'm still gonna go ahead and pot them together. But it was tempting, but I guess that's just another excuse to get another one if I can keep this one alive, because this is my first bird of paradise. I was playing around with it, trying to see which way I wanted the leaves to go with them side by side, but then I finally found a way that I liked. And I'm using this bag and this soil in the bag versus the one in the bucket because I bought this because I knew it was going to be a lot of soil for this pot. I believe this is a 14-inch, and I wanted to use this soil instead of the soil in the bucket because I didn't want to use that one up so fast, and I wanted to use it for the other plants I'm going to repot in here. So these are the next plants I'm going to repot. These are all ones that needed to be repot for weeks now, but I kept putting it off, so I decided to just do them all in one sitting. And I know I'm not the only one, but you will see me talking out loud to myself. And so this is my philodendron melanonii, and that little black, well, that's a root. I'm going to end up taking that off. But she's been needing to be in soil, especially the top of the soil. Every time I watered, the water was just relaxing on top of it instead of actually penetrating. So I knew it was time to give her some fresh soil and upsize. And here is my syngonium microphyllum frosted heart. So pretty. I just got her not too long ago, but once again, so usually whenever I get plants, I don't repot them right away. However, if the soil is too compact and if the water is really not penetrating like it should, or if the plant is, I can just tell, not doing well, then I'll just go ahead and give it some fresh soil. Typically I don't, but it's on a plant by plant basis. This is my aglaonema, and as you see, I'm making this face because I did not know that she was in, so some people call them death traps. So these are what they use whenever they propagate the plants and then mass sell them. However, it's not typically good for the roots because sometimes the roots can get like entangled in them, and it can just prevent the plant from really growing to its full potential, and it can also cause potential root rot. So yes, if you ever see those in your plants, just make sure you take your plant out, remove that death trap, and so your roots of the plant can grow. And so I'll be removing both of those, and I know my plant is saying thank you, thank you. Don't know if you saw me take out a small cutting from the syngonium earlier, but I did, and I thought this pot was perfect for it. I got this from a local nursery because, as you can see from my previous videos as well, I love propagating plants. And then this one, the roots on this is so good. So that's a pothos in my left hand, and then this one is a red maranta. And I'm gonna go ahead and pot her up in this nursery pot. And then I'm going to pot the pothos.